Shalom, everybody. This is Rabbi Bruce at Congregation Beth Judah. On this very spot, we will have a food truck for our Shabbat Purim service. There's just something about great Indian food that just invites everybody in. So our Purim service is going to celebrate how God renews Israel and all nations on Purim. It's another illustration of our Exodus Rebuild series. How does God rebuild my house? Why might my house need to be rebuilt? Well, we remember on this Shabbat, on Purim, that oftentimes difficult things happen in our houses. Our houses are threatened by forces outside, sometimes forces on the inside. Well, this week we celebrate the victory. So I look forward to seeing you on this spot, on this Shabbat. Let's celebrate Purim. We're going to read the whole Megillah. We're going to have costumes. We're going to have so much fun. Go online to see all the announcements there. I'll see you along the way. Shalom, shalom.